Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method on Western Union's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your payment method on Western Union's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in westernunion.com and make a search. The official page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Western Union's account will appear on the screen. Click on menu icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on your profile name. Scroll all the way down and tap on Payment Preferences. You can change your payment method to credit or debit cards or to bank account as well. Tap on any one of the option. Click on Add New Card option. Enter your card details including your card number, CVV, billing address and tap on Save. This is how you can change your payment method on Western Union's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.